Me. Hey y'all, so me and Gaga, we making a boyfriend book for my other grandmother that has dementia. So we making her a book, and we cutting out pictures in the magazine to make her a boyfriend book because she always asking us to find her a boyfriend. So we're going to give her a book of boyfriends. And then we're going to talk about these chips by Way Better to see if they get grandma approved. I'm in love with them. Like, dish the Doritos and get Way Better.
Here with him in there.
You gotta go through the magazine. Grandma, try these chips. Tell me if you like them. Before we get started. Just try one. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you like it.
I want a whole lot of soda.
It's not a lot of salt in there. You gotta try the flavor. So she's trying the ranch avocado ones before we get started.
Well, they ain't bad.
I told you they're good. See, it's avocado. They have flax seeds, quinoa, and chia seeds in there. Filled with 90 milligrams of potassium. Hey! Check these out. Which one?
They good, y'all.
Yes, I gotta say they good, Way Better. Like I said, they were good. Alright, here goes spicy. We're gonna try the spicy one. So these ones are the sweet chili. And they have flax seeds, quinoa, chia seeds, broccoli, and radish.
She love these.
Who love them? Got Grandma Daisy? You think we should take her some tomorrow? She might say it's not sweet enough for her. So we about to work on this boyfriend book. And then we're going to let y'all know how this thing goes. Oh yeah, we got to get her candy tomorrow. We going to visit her.
You ain't right now.
Yeah. So these are some of the magazines that we have. And we're going to get started a little bit. And then we're going to come back and show you how it's going. Put one of the rap guys on. What did I think you needed somebody? Jokey.
Yeah.
Put a rap guy.
Is he a rap guy?
No, but he funny. He a jokester. So you see, you wanted to put a little jokey guy in. So it's going on 11 o'clock and me and Gaga making this boyfriend good book.
11 o'clock ain't nothing.
Oh, that's not. How late you stay up, huh? How late you stay up? What time you be going to bed?
I might be laying in bed if I fall asleep for a second or two.
So what time you really go to bed?
Around, sometimes I went 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
What time you waking up?
So like, him, I was going to put him.
Yeah, we working hard. We got all these done.
Let's see.
Y'all go over here gluing and I'm doing the cutting. See, drying. We're working hard. I've been working hard. Playing overtime.
Making other people happy.
Yes, this is good. That's the better job.
That's a good fun job.
Yes.
Yep. Oh, I better get somebody real long go on here.
Somebody long?
Yeah, because
look, we got little Prince.
Yeah.
You can say Purple Rain to her.
Well, we gonna put Prince by himself.
Yeah, he deserves a legendary.
Yeah.
For his son.
All of them good too. So we want some of it for other people. They're Fred and I can get another picture on you for here.
Yeah.
Small one. Oh.
So we finished with the boyfriend book.
Soak your feet into my episode.
Yeah, we can't wait to see Grandma Daisy's reaction tomorrow. Grandma, did you have fun making this book?
Yes, it was fun. Yeah, doing these kind of things. Making somebody else
Jamie
happy.
got the biggest face out of everybody.
Yep. Okay. There's some nice
Y'all know we had to add a little Michael B. Jordan in there. Her boyfriend book is real lit.
A lot of pictures.
We got her like young, little.
She moving
a little seasoned guys.
She said she want to get away from that place.
Yeah. And we're going right. Grandma Daisy's boyfriend book. And nobody better take it from her.
Here, Macy.
Huh?
Yeah, the other one. Is he